Alibaba just rolled out some new AI features for sourcing, and I think they're going to change e-commerce forever. So in this video, I want to show you all the new features that they just dropped, and we're actually going to use them paired with some huge trends that are happening right now in the world. And you already know, if you sell things in hot markets, you're likely going to see some hot success, right? So we're going to go through some of these features. I want to share with you just pretty much all of them. They are sharing these, or did share these, at the Co-Create event, which unfortunately I didn't get a chance to go to. I wish I would have gone to it, but I have a baby here at the house. I didn't want to leave her. So instead, I'm just going to be making this video with some of those features, because you already know I have some deep connects with Alibaba. So first and foremost, I want to share with you a couple different trends that we're going to be testing out for this. One of them being the reverse osmosis filter trend. And one thing I want you to let me know in the comments is, do you prefer light mode or dark mode for these for this data that I usually show in my videos? Just curious, let me know. I'm going to go with dark mode right now. But the first feature that we're going to be looking at is their deep search feature. So this is actually just right on Alibaba.com, which is pretty unbelievable. And basically, it's just a deep research prompt. So let's just use it, right? So let's see, reverse osmosis. Let's do the demo. They actually have a demo here, and I want to watch it so that we can know exactly how to use it with you here right now. Let's take a look. So if we take a look at how this works, you just basically tell it, I'm looking for a branded energy storage that is portable, has a sleek design, blah, blah, blah. And then it'll just match all the details to whatever you want, right? So pretty cool. Honestly, AI is just so cool. It's so nice for e-commerce that AI is a thing, as opposed to, you know, in the software space, it's a little bit more scary. So let's take a look. Let's say, find me suppliers for a reverse osmosis filter brand. Okay. Now, one of the things that I actually thought about while thinking of this video is, you know, reverse osmosis is an insane trend right now, but really the bigger trend is water purifiers. And then reverse osmosis is one product that you could have, any water purifier brand, which, by the way, you should totally do, and you should hit me up and I'll fund you, okay? But anyways, let's see what it came up with. So the deep search result found us some pretty interesting suppliers here. And as you see, I didn't really give it much specifics, but some of these are super cool. Wow, I'm kind of impressed, I'm not gonna lie. So for example, this one, you can order just a single unit. Really, that's really, really nice. And it's $135, $139. Let's see, reverse osmosis filter. So these are going for like $600, or even this one looks exactly the same, and this one's $449. So that's incredible. Wow, very, very interesting. Now, they also have this agent mode now too. So this is what's crazy. This is what I wanted to feature. It's called Axio. I'll share with you some of the demo here so you can kind of see how it works without me showing you. I will show you applied to this, but let me just show you here.
Millions of children live with autism. Their clothes whispers against their skin. What does it take to create a new product line that truly meets their needs? Traditionally, you need a sourcing team and countless hours of coordination.
That's right. I like that they show this Reddit research right there, because Reddit is such a hack for not only product research, of course, but like angle research too for creatives. If you're, you know, if you already have your brand and you want to get some value from this, you can use Reddit pretty well for thinking of creative angles and pain points. So yeah, this is what it would usually take, right?
Now, it only takes a few minutes to get a full report. Just tell your needs to Axio. I want to design loungewear specifically for autism children, and Axio Agent will fulfill your unique requirements like a seasoned pro. Here's how Axio helps. First, Axio analyzes industry sites and social media to
So that's kind of the thing. It's the agent mode is a special piece of this, because it will literally browse. It'll do all the research for you and pull up a report. And of course, that's going to save you an insane amount of time. I believe that this isn't available to everybody. I think you actually might need an access code. I have an access code, so I'll link that for you in the description. but maybe it is open. I'm not sure. If you need an access code, just use the code that I'll leave in the description.
Summarize the real needs of your audiences, surfacing key product attributes essential for new concept development. Soft material and tagless design to minimize irritation, deep pressure for a sense of security. Bamboo or organic cotton could be ideal fabrics. Temperature regulation automatically factored in. With these critical insights, Axio jumps straight into product ideation, supporting your development process with visualized inspirations. It gives you multiple options in just a few minutes, completely bypassing the endless back and forth with design teams. Axio provides tailored marketing strategies. It analyzes your unique selling points and even delivers key messaging points to inspire your marketing efforts. Next, Axio will search and evaluate suitable children's loungewear suppliers, ensuring even the most challenging requirements are met.
100% cotton bamboo. That is crazy. This is so exciting.
It even lines up your options by what matters most to you, so your next move is confident.
So one of the things that I'm thinking about, especially for a lot of you guys that are watching this, right, and you're launching branded dropshipping stores, you can use that as a requirement for these suppliers. You know, some of you that actually have big brands, you may hate on this, but I believe having an international supply chain or international shipping from China is a huge advantage that you can have as a brand, because especially right now in times with tariffs and all these crazy changes that happen pretty much every month, it's nice to be able to ship everywhere in the world. And a lot of the demand trends that happen in the US do end up happening in other countries as well, especially as the world becomes more and more globalized. So that's one thing I'm keeping in my mind is when using Axio. And if you want to start your brand with dropshipping, you certainly can make that one of your criteria.
Informed. Once the tasks are complete, go to Results to access all reports and initiate inquiries with a single click.
Wow. Dang.
The work that used to be done by a whole team is now done by Axio, empowering you to bring light to the unseen corners and unlock new possibilities.
Ooh. Yeah, so I think this is one of the things that they're going to be really hyping up at the Co-Create event. So, you know, shout out to everybody watching this right now. You didn't have to go to the Co-Create event. You can just watch my videos and get all the updates. But that's pretty special. Now, let me see. So I want to say I want to launch a brand for water purifiers targeting an older demographic. Let's go agent mode. Let's just see what happens. It may take a little bit of time here, but I'm just curious to see what it'll come up with. It's an agent mode, so thinking through your request to create the most effective approach and detailed action plan. We'll see what it comes up with. In the meantime, while that's loading, let's take a look at their other feature now on Alibaba.com, which is the image search feature. So boom, you give it the image, and let's say carpet with this style with customization capability, MOQ of 200, of below 200, and boom, it gives you different suppliers that meet those standards. Pretty cool. So now you can just add an image and find whatever you want. I really like this reverse osmosis idea, to be honest. Even though it's a little bit more expensive, I think it could be good for a senior market, right? Because they have a lot of money. You know, they do care a lot about longevity. A lot of people are starting to care more about longevity. So let's just click start now. And let's see. I'll analyze the senior market needs and water purifier trends by gathering comprehensive demographic and market data. Let me start by researching the older consumer demographic, their health concerns, and the current water purifier market landscape. That's going to be interesting. While that is going, I'll share with you some of the other trends that I was gonna use. I couldn't think of like which one to use for this in particular. Of course, I went with the water purifier now, but I also had a couple other ones that I think are interesting, so I'll just give them to you. One of them is mid-century modern home design stuff. So this is for home decor brands. It seems the mid-century modern trend is exploding. This is actually doing really, really well. There's a ton of demand for mid-century modern stuff, which is kind of interesting. And now, you can use that as a criteria. Let's say launching a mid-century modern Shopify home store. Find me suppliers. I can't type with low MOQs. Let's see if it can do that. Honestly, this is making me pretty bullish on Alibaba. I might have to see Alibaba stock price to be honest. Let's take a look at that. Why is it in this? What even is this currency? In dollars, let's take a look. $130. That is not bad at all. Let's take a look at what this looks like here. Oh man. Yeah, take a look at this. This peaked at $300 and it's currently at $134, and it just broke, kind of this resistance point. If you want to get technical, this is looking like a buy. I might have to buy some after this video, but let's see what it came up with here. So mid-century modern. Okay, so we got some office cabinets. Wow, this is actually a nice office cabinet. I would buy that. Small container. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. Let's see. Here's some more stuff. Some of these. Oh, I like these chairs a lot. So minimum order is 10 pieces. That's actually not bad. I would buy these for my office right here. Mid-century minimalist. Some of these are super cool. This one is only 2 pieces, but this would really fit a luxury premium looking home decor store. Super cool. So you can buy 2 and put them up on your store if you wanted to, or not even put it, like you could just put them up on your store and figure out some sort of sourcing solution with them. I think that's kind of a smart thing that you can do, is just send an inquiry to the supplier, and if they can send you 2, maybe they can just send 1 and send it directly to your customer, right? So that's an interesting trend. And then the other one that I wanted to share is the grounding sheets trend. It's kind of died down a lot, which is pretty surprising. It peaked in November 2024, but we're going into another holiday season in which I believe it can explode again. So, these seasonal patterns usually do repeat themselves, and it's kind of an interesting category of products. Let's see now what Axio is doing over here. Wow, we've just been yapping away. We've had this agent just continuously creating this entire report for us. So let's see. It's extracting a ton of data. Oh wow, okay, so it's doing the image generation. This is what I'm excited to see. I want to see what that actually looks like. But I guess we'll just give it a little bit more time and just browse more mid-century modern luxury stuff. Wow, this looks super cool. So I actually didn't even know what mid-century modern was, to be honest with you. I just saw the trend and it looked really promising. But now that I'm seeing what it actually is, I'm realizing I do like mid-century modern stuff, and I actually see why it's trending. This is a really cool style, and it's very popular. Let's see, this whole set is only $500. Man, I just went furniture shopping the other day. I'm looking for a new couch, and I'm realizing I'm getting scammed by these furniture stores, because some of these things, like, they'd charge me a lot of money. I'm just kidding. It's not a scam. That's literally just what business is you buy low, you buy from a supplier and then you sell it for a higher price. That's really all it is. But interestingly enough, once you know about Alibaba and now all of these new features, it kind of ruins furniture shopping for you, because you just know you can get things at such a better price. So let's see, maybe we can actually click some of these already. View details. Ooh, whoa. Okay, so this is a brand logo and water purifier interface. This looks so cool. Pure Trust Water. This appeals for sure to the demographic that we're going after. It's still going here, so hopefully I haven't lost you yet, but these features are just incredible, and I really want to get the actual, thing done, so we can actually see what it comes up with when it comes to suppliers and the marketing and distribution strategy. Although for that, I mean, pretty simple. Meta ads. I would just launch meta ads for this, of course. That's probably the best strategy. Let's look up some grounding sheets. Let's see if we can find some interesting grounding sheet things on Alibaba. So let's go back. Oh, wow. Wait. Whoa, what the heck is going on? It just showed me a grounding mat as like an option here. This thing is listening to me. Seats with of 1. Let's see, with minimum order quantities of 1. That the reason I said that is because I want to see if it will show me these, because that means these guys are probably willing to drop ship for you. That's not necessarily true, but let's see. Oh, this one is really nice. I really like these images that they have going on. Okay, so minimum order quantity is just 1. They have really, really great feedback, it seems. All right, guys, so we got the full agent plan for the water purifier brand launch for the senior market. So let's go through it. This is what Axio can do. So let's see, the Pure Trust Water comprehensive brand launch plan and market entry strategy for senior water purifier brand. So here we go. Executive summary: the senior water purifier market represents an exceptional opportunity with 61 million Americans aged 65 plus, controlling 2.6 trillion of annual buying power. Wait a minute, that's actually insane. The demographic exhibits strong health motivations, whatever, and specific product requirements emphasizing reliability, simplicity, and health benefits. Whoa, wait, this is a bigger opportunity than I thought. So population growth, okay, economic influence, huge economic influence. Wow, this is super crazy. So health-driven purchase motivations, hypertension is a big one. Arthritis is a big one. And these are correlated with water benefits. Holy, this is huge. Because these are angles we can target in our ads and in our copy for the landing page. Insane. So this is the brand positioning. Wow, this is beautiful. This is so good. Okay, we keep going. These are some suppliers that could potentially help us here. Wow, some of these are so cool. Like this one looks awesome. It looks like a robot. It kind of is. So okay, so primary supplier, this one, they have 10 plus years of water filtration expertise. That's a lot. And 500 piece minimum order quantity with flexibility. So okay, this would be a big investment, of course, but like I mentioned, we could figure out alternatives here. So media strategy, print advertising, interesting. Television, direct mail. Wow. So these are things that we would never probably think of, but in reality, actually, these are really good for this demographic. That's pretty smart. So yeah, Facebook marketing, of course. Retail partnerships, smart. The first 3 months, supplier contact, initial brand identity, market entry in 4 to 6 months, media campaigns, scale and optimization. Wow, okay, this is pretty interesting. I mean, if you pair this Axia with, any media buying strategy that or even like TikTok and Google, right? Which are things that we help a lot of brands out with at the agency at Chemi. If you want to know more about that, you can just go to chemilab.com. We have a great team there. I'm not as involved because I'm just, making content and working on a lot of stuff, investing, you already know. But ultimately, this is a great plan, especially just the overall summary and the market opportunity is way bigger than I thought, actually. Wow. So this is what's cool also about finding these trends, is you can just get such incredible market opportunities. But overall, I hope that you enjoyed this. Again, if you can't access Axio, that's kind of a funny sentence, use the code in the description to use it. Okay, this is an invite code. I don't think it's available to everybody, but if it is, then great, right? And again, shout out to Alibaba. I wish I could have gone to the Co-Create event. I went to the one last year, so I'll probably go next year, once my baby's a little bit older. But that's pretty much about it. Hope you enjoyed the video and got some amazing ideas and just a lot of value overall. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.